We got two packages, so not sure which one is which. This one and this one. So let's start with this one. Seems this one seems like accessories box, and yeah. So taking the knife from my brother, and then do I need a knife though? So I think I don't need it. I can just wrap it around. Good packaging. Okay. So yeah, as I was thinking, this one is I I had a peek into the packaging. This one is actually the accessories box. So yeah, so you can see this one. This one is the mic adapter, and there is a warranty box. So I bought it official. Dara's had a discount going on the official. So let's just open it up. Try and open it up basically. So it's very hard. Yeah. Oops. I need to retain the packaging. I love to retain the packages, but still. So yeah. Okay. So this is the mic adapter. You need it for actually the camera. I didn't unbox the camera yet. So yeah, I think this is the accessories. So let's just unwrap it. Cute little accessories. So yeah, skip it over here, and no manuals. I will read it trailer maybe or not. I don't read manuals. So yeah, I need my knife with this one. So this is the dive case, which will require when I go to scuba diving or maybe snorkeling. I have got a snorkeling gear. আমার একটা স্নোরকেলিং গিয়ার আছে যেটাতে আসলে আমি আসলে কক্সবাজার নামছিলাম কিন্তু কিছু পাইনি। সো হোপফুলি ভালো কোথাও লাইক সেন্ট মার্টিন অথবা দেশের বাইরে কোথাও গেলে কিছু দেখতে পাওয়া যাইতে পারে, সেই আশায় এই ডাইট কেসটা কিনা আর কি। তো এনিওয়ে, লেটস সি হোয়াটস ইনসাইড। Very tight packaging. So yeah, uh, nice padding on the box, since it doesn't get broken. So manual, and then we have the case itself. So it's a glass case and it has oleophobic coating, so I have to be careful with it. So yeah, this looks dope. So this will only accommodate the normal sensor. 360 সেন্সরটা আসলে কাজ করবে না এখানে, I think, but still you get up to 60 feet, I guess, waterproofing with this one. So there's accessories box over here, and we have extra mounts, and we have what, extra foams or something like this. I'm not sure what is this. Yeah, it's a pouch cover. Yeah, so you can carry that around. So yep, keeping this over here and keeping the boxes over there. Let's move with the second one. Okay, so this is the main package, I think, and yeah, only accessories গুলো দেখাইছি আগেরটাতে। এইটাতে দেখি আসলে অ্যাক্সেসরিজ ছাড়া আর কি কি আছে। সো আসল ক্যামেরা এখনো দেখানো হয়নি। So yep, this one packaging is a bit finicky, I would say, because there is no opening from this end. How to open this actually? No idea. Oh yeah, you need to just tear it down from this corner. And then yeah, so yeah, this is the main package, I'm sure, and the packaging looks dope. Oh wow, there's a rubber, there is the tracking number. I think this was the last unit of the 2 in edition. This is the 2 in edition, so it has একটা 360 ক্যামেরা আছে আর একটা নরমাল ক্যামেরা আছে আর কি। এই যে, তো দেখি একটু কাট করতে হবে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি র্যাপিংটা কিন্তু নাই আর কি, অরিজিনাল র্যাপিংটা আর কি। ওপস, আমার কিবোর্ডে পেস্ট লেগে যাচ্ছে, লেটস মুভ দ্যাট আউট। ঠিক মতো কাটতে পারছি। I love to keep these boxes around, you know. Okay, so yeah, so ঠিক মতোই কাটতে পারছি। As you can see, this is official. Okay, so you need to open another packaging for it. This one is making sure that it's intact. So you can see the scenarios over here and some features over here, over there. Okay, so this is the camera. Let's keep the camera aside and see, open up the accessories box first. Oh baba, পারছি না তো, pretty tight packaging. So this is the accessories box. Open this up. Cable. Yeah, cable. Mounting bracket. This is the lens cover, 360 lens cover, and some accessories for mounting bracket. This is the main mounting bracket. Okay, lens cover. What else? We have a manual and a microfiber cloth for cleaning the stuff. So manual, microfiber cloth, 360 lens protector, bracket এবং টাইপ সি। বেসিক্যালি এই কয়েকটা জিনিসই আসে আসলে আপনার মানে ইসের সাথে, অফিসিয়ালি বক্সের সাথে। তো এই কয়েকটা জিনিস নিয়ে আসলে খুব একটা কাজ হয় না আর কি। স্টিকার কি, এটা কি একটা স্টিকার? না, এটা লাগানো, অ্যাপ্লাই করা অলরেডি, স্টিকারও আসে না বেসিক্যালি। ওকে, now that we got the accessories out of the way, this is the main module, this is the battery module, this is the camera module. Camera module has two parts. One is this lens, 4K boost lens, another one is this core. So core one has a screen on it, and then you got your record button, and this is the 360 lens, so it has 360 versions over there. I'm gonna need a protector for all of this, right, or I will break it. So yeah, so let's move that out of the way and maybe assemble the battery unit. I'm not sure how to do that, I didn't read the manual yet, but I think it should be pretty simple, right? It is, and it turned on. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, I gotta get an SD card, I forgot that. So yeah, I need to get it and then I can start it. So thank you. So this is it for the unboxing. See you in the next one.